going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming at you with another video. Y'all already know when Khrome is on the jack, we got something going on. But today, y'all, this is gonna be a great video, and it's by Custom Dynamics, the best lights in the business. And I'm gonna show you what we're gonna replace on here that's Custom Dynamics already, and we're gonna install something else on here that's Custom Dynamics. So we'll get to it right after this, baby. Going on, y'all? Hey, y'all know your boy been rocking Custom Dynamics since I got Khrome, y'all. Since I got this bike, that's what I've been rocking, this Custom Dynamics. I've been just rocking this other headlight, but that's about to be gone too. But we're gonna show you what I am replacing today. Today, y'all, we are replacing these turn signals here. These are Custom Dynamics, y'all. They Custom Dynamics. Those were the first lights that I got when I got the bike. I got these and I got the rear that I had on the back. And I replaced those already with another set of Custom Dynamics with the license plate. But yeah, we're going to replace these, y'all, with these right here. The Custom Dynamic, I call them low profile lights. ProBeam lights here. And I went with the gloss black on here, y'all. And we're gonna get these installed because I don't want to hold you too long, and we're gonna get this done. I'm gonna show a little of the installation because I know I got a lot of new subscribers on here, and I noticed that some of them said they new to the Harley game. So yo, I'm gonna try to show a little of the installations, and we're gonna get these installed, y'all. But I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do first, y'all. We got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here. Those gonna come off. You're gonna pop your speaker grills right here, and you got 1 bolt right here on the outside, and you're gonna pop this speaker grill. You got 1 on the outside here, and the only bolt you gotta take off is the 1 down here on the bottom. We just gotta take this one off right here on the other side as well. So yo, those gonna be the bolts that we're gonna pop off, and we're gonna pull this off, and the vent should just pop off, and we'll get right to this installation. So let's get it done. I got my Allen wrench here already. Next thing you do, this just comes right up, y'all. And we're gonna set that over here. And this part here, y'all, it just pops up. Just like that right there. Just that simple, it pops up like that. So yeah. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop from the inside here. We're gonna push the speaker part up like that. Just push it up, man, with your hand, and this should come right up. And we'll do the other side. And that does the same way. So yeah. And then we're gonna take our hex bit here. What is this? I can't remember what size it is. It's a T25 right here. And all you're gonna do, we just gonna remove the bottom bolt. You don't have to remove the top. And we're gonna do this on both sides. And the next one here, y'all, you're just gonna get this bolt, and you're gonna do the other one on the same side as well. And that's gonna be it, okay? And then next thing you'll see me do is pull off the fairing. So, but make sure you got somebody holding the front of the fairing, or you in front of it. And the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna just pop this off right here. That's your lights. All these other wires that you see are the other lights that we have. And you're gonna do the same thing on this other side right here. Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. And the next one here, this is a 3/16. And you gotta take this off right here. You gotta take this bolt off right here, which is a 3/16. Make sure you hold your fairing so that it won't fall on you. So yeah, and that should be it. And that pulls your fairing right off, y'all. And y'all, you're gonna use the exact same socket that you use. Well, it's not the exact same. It went up a size. And this is a quarter. Allen right here. And make sure you use your blue Loctite putting all this back on, y'all. So yeah, let's get it done. Now we're gonna just move all this off from around, all these right here, and this should come right out, y'all. It's got a zip tie right here. Let me get something to pop that zip tie. I'm gonna get them pop that zip tie, and then we're gonna get the lights over here, and I'm gonna show you what else we need to do. All right, you pop that zip tie from right here, y'all. It just slides right on out. It just simple as that, man. Easy peasy installation here. So we're gonna get this one off and I'll show you what's going on when we get it put back on. Okay, let's get it done. And you have your own little pack of screws, y'all, that comes with this. It comes in this little package here. It's had 4 screws in here. It's gonna be one for here and the other one for the outside out here. So make sure you follow and read the instructions. Okay, y'all, we putting it back on. You button this whole thing up just like you did when you took it off. The screw size on these changed a little bit, but just snug it really good. Make sure you use your blue Loctite on here. See that blue Loctite? Make sure you use that. This is for a purpose, and we're gonna button this side up. But now, y'all, I'm gonna show you what you gotta do up here. This is the wire here, and this is your other wire. The wire I just ran is this one right here. See this? And it comes with this right here. This is what make them change from turn to run. So you're just gonna plug this in here on the wire that comes from the side, and then where you unplug the wire at, it just goes right here. So, and then when I get done, I'm gonna zip tie all that, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side here. Here's the main wire that just came from the side, the lights we just put on. You can do this yourself, y'all. You don't have to take this to nobody to get it done. And we're gonna zip tie all this. We're gonna button everything back up just like we had it. And I'm gonna show you what the lights look like when we get all this buttoned right back up. So we'll be right back with you, and we should have all this buttoned up and zip tied. All right, let's get it. Y'all see, we got it all buttoned up. Hey, the steps that I took to take it off, you follow the same exact steps to put it on. Look how bright those babies are, man. I love the sleek look that it has right now compared to these big boys right here. And they are bright, y'all. Those are some bright lights. These are custom dynamic lights too, but seem like they made those a little bit brighter, y'all. So I really like that. So man, make sure you go to customdynamics.com, or you can go to Amazon to my affiliate link and click on it. I have it down in my description. You just click down there and go to my affiliate link if you would like to purchase some of these. Or, like I say, go to customdynamic.com and get you some of these lights. Those look really, really good. I love the way that look right there. So this might be the next light that's coming out of here, y'all. So y'all stay tuned to the next video, man. I really appreciate y'all for coming on, and all the new subscribers, man. I had like 81% new subscribers. I checked my analytics, and man, I really appreciate y'all. So man, I want to thank Custom Dynamics, Karen, Custom Dynamics again for sending these over and working with me, man. Custom Dynamics has been on my team for a little while, and I've been rocking it since I had this bike right here. So we're gonna keep on pushing it, and we're gonna keep on pushing Custom Dynamics, man. Till next time, baby, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Peace, I'm out.